Let's see how you can actually send product links when someone actually comments on your Instagram post or reels. So instead of just sending the product link, you can actually educate the people who comment over there with the product through the DMs and then provide the link as well. So by doing this, you can also educate them with the specific products before they buy it, and also you have the option to send follow-up messages within the 24 hours as well. So let's see how to achieve this one right here using a simple Instagram comments automation. So here, let's imagine I want to promote this specific product, which is fast charging portable charger. All right. So let's see, we want to promote this one through the Instagram comments or Instagram reels or post. And when they comment a specific keyword, and we want to trigger the automation and send them messages as well. All right. So let's see how this actually works. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect your Instagram account over here. So here, if you click on channels option, it will take you directly to settings channels, where you can easily connect your Instagram account right here. So here we have connected demo Charik media account. So here, once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. So let me go to the flow section over here and create a new flow just for this specific product. So let me say fast charging portable charger. All right, continue. And here, this is how the flow looks like. So here you have to send a message first. So here, let me add this message. Hey there, thanks for your interest. Please tap the button below to receive the link to purchase the portable charger. So here, like, let's add a button saying send me the link. All right, just for the demo. So when they tap on this link, we can simply say a message. So instead of just sending the text message in a link or a button, we can actually use this card option over here, where you can actually upload specific images as well. So here, for example, this is the image of that specific charger. So let me copy the image address. You can actually download the image and upload as well. Otherwise, you can copy the image address and insert the link as well. So it will show the specific charger right there. Simple as that. So you can actually resize this image as per the needs, but just let me just use the whole image right here. And here you can also add the title as well. For example, let me add this right here, 45 watts charger right here. All right, and here, if you want, you can simply add these things as well right here. So for here, in the subtitle, you can add more information as well. So this is how it looks like. So here you can actually add different images if you want as well. So here you can add more images as like, but let me just add just one image over here and keep other things as empty. All right, so here I have just one image right here, and here you can add the button right here. So here, let me say buy now, and you can add the specific link for that specific product right there. So let me simply copy the Amazon product link and add it. All right, so here, this is how it looks like. So when they comment a specific keyword, they will receive this message, and when they tap on this button, it will take them and provide this product information along with the buying the link as well. So here we have information about that specific product as well. All right, so if you want to send a follow-up message, you can do that as well. For example, you can add a wait delay block right here. You can set specific time frame as you like. For the Instagram, you can send follow-up messages within 24 hours. So you can set specific hours right there, but for the demo, let me just add a 15 seconds delay and send the follow-up message as well. So let me send a follow-up message saying, hey there, did you get a chance to check out the specific product? If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, so that's how the follow-up message look like. So let me click on publish over here. So we have created a very simple flow right here, providing the product link with more information for the users before they go to the Amazon, and also a follow-up message just to check whether they buy the product or if they have any more questions, etc. All right, so let's make sure this is published, and it's published. So the flow name is fast charging portable charger. So now let's go to the marketing tools and use the Instagram comments automation and simply create a new one. And here, let me say this was the specific name because this is related to the specific product. So let me say this 45 watt fast charging portable charger. All right, and here you can say all post, or you can select a specific post or reel which you are going to promote the product as well. So let me say just all post and private replies. So let me select the flow, which is fast charging portable charger, and the public comment reply. If you want, you can add different variations as well. For example, send your DM or DM sent. All right, so let's ask people to comment as a link to get the specific product link. All right, so the keyword I set up was link. All right, and here you have more options. You can even delay these responses if you want. And let me click save. All right, it has been saved. Now make sure to activate this one as well. All right, it's active. So let's test how this actually works. Make sure this is published again. All right, so let me share my phone screen, and this simply work on any post or reels, and the keyword we set up was link. So let me open a random post over here and add the keyword link and see how this actually works. So it will add the public comment reply and also send us a DM as well. So let's see. So here we receive the DM. It says, hey there, thanks for your interest. Please tap the button below to receive the link to purchase the portable charger. So if we go to the see post, we should have received the comment reply as well saying send your DM. All right, so let me go to the message. Let me say send me the link. So now it should send me the specific card with the specific product image and then the button as well. So it will, here we receive the message with the product image. So here you have to resize the image according to 500 to 500 pixels, but since we use the same image on the MSN, it looks a little bit cut over here, but you can actually customize this image according to your needs as well. So here we receive the message right here, the title, subtitle, and buy now as well. So if I tap on buy now, it will take them directly to Amazon, where they can simply check out the specific product and buy it as well. All right, so here we also receive the follow-up message because we set up just 15 seconds over there. So it says, hey there, did you get a chance to check out this specific product? If you have any questions, please let me know. So that was the exact follow-up message we set up right here. Simple as that. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can actually track those conversations as well. So inbox, so this is from the Instagram. You can see this from the Instagram. This is the customer. They received all these messages, and from here also agent can easily send messages as well. So like this, you can create different flows for different products and promote them accordingly as well using the simple Instagram comments automation. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.